Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you different ways to compare individual cell values or list of values. This video is a summary of responses to Excel users that needed help. So, let's get to it. The simplest way to compare two cells is using the function if, and assigning a value if they are the same and a different value if they're not. For example, a user asks, how can I compare each pair of values from this list? Here's a solution. On cell D2, type equal if, open a parenthesis, the first argument is a logical test. We will compare cell B2 equal to cell D2, comma, for the true value, let's use 1, comma, and for the false value, let's use 0. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Duplicate the formula to the rest of the cells, and here we have the results. All the ones are rows where the values are the same. Let's see a different example. A user asks, how can I compare this list of values to identify when the SKU number changed and assign a number to be able to filter it? Here's a solution. In this case, we will compare the cell from the current row against the cell from the previous row. First, on cell C1, we will label it as eval. Then on cell C2, we will assign a 1, because we don't have another cells to compare it with. On cell C3, type equal if, open the parenthesis, the first argument is the logical test. We will compare cell B3 equal to cell B2, comma, for the true value, we will assign 0, comma, then for the false value, we will assign a 1. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Duplicate the formula to the rest of the cells, and let's see the results. Every time we have a 1 assigned to the cell, the SKU number is different from the previous cell. Now we can apply the filter, and we can filter to just ones. Let's see one more example. A user asks, I have two lists of names that I got from two separate reports. The second list is in different order, and some of the last names are incorrect. How can I compare the two lists to identify the errors? Here's a solution. In this case, we will use the function CONCAT to create a single string between the first name and the last names, and then we will use the function XLOOKUP to locate the string because the order between the two lists is different. On cell C2, type equal CONCAT, open a parenthesis, then select cell A2, comma, dash in quotation marks, comma, then select cell B2. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Duplicate the formula down and also to the cells on column F. Now on cell G2 equal XLOOKUP, open a parenthesis, select cell F2, comma, then select the range C2 to C7. Press F4 to make the reference absolute, comma, and select the same cell range C2 to C7. Press F4, close the parenthesis, and press enter. Duplicate the formula to the rest of the cells, and let's see the results. The two cells with the errors are the names that are the incorrect last names. That's all for this video. If you like my content, subscribe to my pages for more videos like this. And remember, if you have any questions about Excel, you can leave them in the comments or reach out by message or email from the links in the description. And I will see you in the next video.